Vethu, this is your boy, I'm King Shama. So we are back again with another exciting episode. Take to TV, Batigama le show with Danko Disc podcast with UVKG. This one is a series. Ngizohlezi ngibona i-co-host yami umsholoze khona esithathe sibeka nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ebholeni lase South Africa ne-development especially because that's where I expect khona kakhulu. Sisaqhubeka ke nohambo lethu olude kwamalungiselelo e-Super Cup ePinetown. Sibuye futhi size ama-predictions guys ngakhumbula i-weekend ukuthi kanjani. Yeah, Shoulders Vethu ngabe salokho ngishona le nale. Welcome to the show once again, King.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sibingelele. Ngibingelele shamazi ngingabalaleli ngibingelele bonke abantu ababuka iDanko Disc podcast. Mase kuphinde futhi sibuyele la ku Take 2 TV umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu sabonga. Ngicabanga ukuthi into ebalekile njengamhlanje ukuthi we coming with the indaba ezimnandi, exciting news where we're going to tell them ukuthi they must look forward to in us visiting teams and also visit ama team lawa kwi Super Cup and also nokuthi sipathipiseke ukuthi what are scout looking for kushoya namhlanje and then mhlawumbe sesivala ke ngama prediction ama game ezayo weekend but mase sinqathi sukuyele emuva kancane ba comment abawinile ba comment abadliwe ukuthi ama prediction ethu and we will surely be there but we need to communicate nabalandeli ukuthi this show is about them and we want the show to grow. So abatshela omunye nomunye atshela omunye ukuthi we are live, we are there and we say fact about football, not taking any sides. We're making sure that we're not taking sides, but we are basically sikhuluma nje ngento abayibona nabazoyibona futhi. Yeah, sicela uzuma lo ngithanda ukubingelela ke njengoba ngisho ukuthi siyabathanda kakhulu and we hoping to show it will continue to grow and sibatshela ama facts and we analyze, we talk and into kanjalo.
Thank you so much Msholozi. Iqiniso lelo siyakhula siyabona lapha kwi channel we are really growing. We appreciate guys ningasabe nje ukushare. There's no money involved. Imune data nje ufake lapha like ufake i-comment because ikona kusisiza ukuthi isikhulu yenzeka nahlapha esishaye eceleni esitshele ukuthi how can we upgrade yabona. So nje let's communicate lapha yana icathulo njalo sisenazo. Siyafisa ukuthi kungene more sponsorships ukulekelela ingane umuntu omnyama also us ukuthi sikwazi ukukhula. Take 2 TV ikhona ke lapha ka YouTube. Umsholozi asibuyele kwi weekend.
Yes,
phuma kuyona.
Yeah,
kade kudlala iCarling Black Label semi final. Siqale ngeSabatha Saturday. I-game ubuyibuka kanjani? I remember ukuthi wayikhuluma kancane before idlale but nje njengomuntu omkantshubovu no qualified for that, how can you say ukuthi did you expect the turnouts none game yePirates?
I expected the Pirates ukuthi izoba ne following vele. That's one. And two, I expected them to win. That was something that we said ukuthi as much as the Bay will come and play, but obviously the Pirate will come and dominate and also play. But nje uploaded kakhulu iBay with the second half. They really played and also even if first half for now they defended the Pirates. It was very proper. It was proper. The way they allow according certain areas to play, but then Bagabana Wama areas. And the second half was even much better because they were looking to push Pirate. Pirate was also looking to the counter man. Yes, change the game. So we upload the Denjalo, we upload the mark figure about the place Babu in the half time. And then they start doing his into that will assist the team. And we feel there were a couple of chances as well in the 10 minutes where they could have scored and take the game to extra time, but obviously Pirate was gonna be on the edge because the quality is massive. I mean, like you cannot doubt any player that Pirate put on the day. So we only upload and say Pirate in Jan. But taking you back, we came Pirate in Arrows, if you remember. So I should have that Pirate is a winning game. But this way, by Arrows is Obuya, it took Dala. At the end of the day, Pirate will be Pirates. siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi at least mhlawumbe khona wawena lapho because we said it and mhlawumbe khona nje ukuthi eyibathi bathi iPirates izowina winning only but winning iPirates with amagoli ukuthi izokora kuqala yabo iPirates will score first izinto ezinjalo sifuna ukutshela abalaleli sibathiphise nakhona but into ebalekile what is important igame ya Sunday fortunately that game I was there and ngabona ukuthi no we were all hoping Arrows will win. Exactly. But on the day, I think the lady luck was not on our side. We tried almost everything. They tried every trick on the book. But Marumo Kalens are very happy. But I think on the day, it showed a low block, you need the strategies to repeat. Because these guys were just sitting, defending non-stop, looking for going to penalties. Because they knew with Mabama penalty, they stand a good chance. Remember, Babu Lalin and Sanders were my penalty. So, mind you, who's Manje, Umabea, Pinda Batona, Arrows, penalty, and then danger. So, I mean, it was a good game. But I think into Jaya Leka Arrows was lucky. And I felt it was spot on with anything.
Yeah, that's a fact. So what can you say, my Nayo, Marumo Gallants, because obviously some game is in and with my final, it's Pirates and Arrows. But manje, shift to the play team. But must move up with the structure, Gallants. It's heavy, it's a lot of experienced players.
Yes.
Konu short about doing the.
I would say what with no favor or Pirates. It will be these guys. Final is a different story. It's not like any league game. So I will say this game will determine on the day, but I still strongly believe that the Pirates is there to take it. Not because of undermining
it's interesting final because coach Odu is an ex from Gallants, if I'm not mistaken. The former team coach.
Yes, and a couple of players I was but me I think it's strong a Pirate right now. We all know a Pirate Mafia final is retired. So it's fun the Chiefs are before. May I figure final Pirate has got a better chance, and also not only a better chance. The Pirates, if Pirates can apply themselves, I don't see it stop by Gallants.
The Dr. Tamaka,
it's a cousin. And another thing is not only that. The quality they've got, we expect them to take it. It's like, for instance, Gallants. I would think wonke players, even those as kwenzekile iPirates idliwa Marquis on the final. But I think the factor ukuthi iPirates is going there knowing ukuthi singabathathi kancane because one happened to us. I don't think ukuthi bangayeka lenze.
That's true. And now if future ibuka kanjani ka coach what we Pirates I think usebhekene ne final ESB. Kuma Cups. It should
for me, Pirates deserve more. I felt bad with Bapume Wikef. So one cup that Pirates really need. And if I win the league, for me now with the Pirates I don't know. We're not building. You're taking some the machine that was going. So much we expect you to tweet at it. And there's nothing there. Like in Sundowns we want to challenge in the Chiefs, but the Pirates sitting there between Pirates and Chiefs, whoever will come yes, it's always cut.
That's true. And what can you say? Mrs. Vala by the coach Hugo Bros he said something about Chiefs and Pirates being in the culling. So I feel like they don't deserve to be in this cup. Mhlambe ngokwe-level of abakyona since sishintshile khumbula iqala ukuthi bekwe-Kaizer Pirates and then now sebefake lama team so ukwakhuluma into eyinjalo abantu abalandelwa ngathi abayizwisisi kahle i-angle afika ngayo Hugo Bros.
Ithanda ukuba inkinga issue ngoba thina sabalandeli sibuka ngokulandela singayibuki ngokuthi umuntu behlosene. Mhlambe what is saying is that with financial powers, it could have given other teams financial muscle as well, instead of kubibona babakhona mhlambe ushintshe enjani, because other than that mekhuluma ngokwebhola, it's a cup, everyone must play a cup. But if it's talking on an angle ukuthi let's share the load in terms of sponsorship, maybe then maybe if it's that, I mean, like, for me that makes sense. But if he's talking about bangadlali because they've got maybe better players, I think phela wonke ama-clubs bangawadlali because bazodlala kanjani Nedbank, because the Nedbank is still the same thing eyenzakalayo. So I think maybe bekhulumela lo yengena. But then again uHugo Plus, what we need just to applaud him for ukuthi wenza kahle national team. So where's izinto azishoyo for esibambe simlaleli sisi because he's got an experience and
because nami ithe mayigudla leyo nto ngingazi ukuthi uqonda ukuthini, but nami iqala this new challenge ukuthi kunama team wonke kwi Black Label, nami I was like sebebulala ivalue yaleya nto ukuthi this one is specific for these big giants of Soweto. So mhlambe naye somehow bebabuka to the level yokuthi these guys mhlambe they deserve to be on the curve.
But the problem is that the standard is not so much. If you're looking at the fact that I'm a team of Kaizer Chiefs, they have not won anything in this years, so it means that the standard not dropping, I'm a team are reaching it. When you're looking at the fact that team Vodacom playing against Chiefs in the Nedbank Cup or Pirates, they don't dominate that much. Or 15-0 or whatever. It's 2-1 imagine 1-0 3-1. I'm talking about players that are playing in an amateur level. So now when you're looking at that, the football is advancing in all the levels. But so I'm saying they are top teams in terms of the names, yes. But in terms of some of the players, uyalingana nomfana we-Chiefs. It's just that the margin man ukuthi lo ube nenkathi abo-Chiefs lo akafiki. But uyabona ukuthi there's not much of a difference between all these players. I would say mina sesizame ukuthi i-gap ivaleke. I-gap ibinkulu kakhulu. If we going to play against, I remember in the years when you go to play against Manning Rangers, for instance, back then, Manning Rangers ukushawa 18-0, 20-0. But manje akusenzeki sekuba close because coach bonke bayafunda, which means ba apply all the tactics now wa apply ufuke nojimisa kanendlela nabakwenza in the lower ranks. So by the time they reach, which means ukuthi seku standard asekho kakhulu in terms of ukuthi sihlukane.
Okay, it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. Mhlambe futhi sisakene ucoach ukuthi le ndaba yiningi but sengayicompress indaba kaThembi Nkosi Lodge ukuthi abe ku squad. Ngizwa ngathi he's denying it, and how do you see it? Ngazi noma indaba zeqiniso yini kodwa ngathi khona into enjalo.
What I've heard was ukuthi Hugo Lodge is because of age. If I'm not mistaken, that's why he's not taking him. And then I said, Mina, sometimes when we try and justify so much, it's become an issue. With all respect that we respect to Hugo, he's done wonders for us. But I feel like it's not an age issue. It's the preference that Hugo prefers, maybe more prefers Utembazo, and whoever him prefers, akangafaki age. Mina for me. I just take a player that I felt he was on form, then better than Swap. But now Knowledge is doing well. Knowledge is doing very well. But when I'm the coach, I'm the boss. I'm saying I'm taking this one because I feel like there is consistency. That's what he was supposed to say for me. I'm looking for players that have been part of the setup for a long time, who understand the philosophy and what I want and what not. So we understand. We give him all the blessing. He cannot take all the players as well. We need to give him that. He cannot take all the players. Mina ngizofuna fake umuntu wami na ufike wakho. How is it going to always please us? So we need to be realistic and say no. Coach Bruce all the best. Whether we win or lose, whoever that we took, whoever that you're taking to the World Cup, we applaud, we appreciate you. We're not going to stand in any way and talk about players, because the players that is brought in are performing. Exactly. I mean, like, even the player that you don't know much about, when you put him in the national team, he performs. So what do you say about that guy? Which means that he does something that we're going to talk about later on in the show.
Hey, Shobile, no, coach, as we back to our movement, to the biggest Pinetown Super Cup. Mhlambe ikuphi osiphathele kona ke today nokunye that I don't know osiphathele khona lapha emakhaya.
I think the people must watch Take Two TV because those are the announcements that are going to be happening. It's there, and then also we've got exciting news where we're going to visit teams, see their training, see how the preparation going, speak to interviews to the coaches, managers, ask about them on what are they expecting on the Pinetown Super Cup, how's the drive, how are the boys and whatnot. So they will get all the inside info on how KZN Academy is training, how are they training, and how are they preparing, because they are the people that have won the cup. Yes, for a long time. So now even if you're in Joburg, you tend to see, this is a special player. This is who they're looking for, because that's what we'll be engaging in, trying to get out of them. So we're going to be doing that road show. We call it a road show, Pinetown Super Cup road show, where we're going to go on a road interview where we go to other teams, all the teams that are in KZN we're going to go to, and they must stay tuned, and all the news, exciting teams, I mean, that we have Amazulu, we've got British Academy as well, where we're going to go Israel, we're going to go there, and all we've got new teams as well that are participating. So we still have teams that want to enter. Unfortunately, all the teams that cannot enter this year, they must make sure when we open in February and March, they must register, because it's important. Because what we do in Pinetown Super Cup, I said, we want to be loyal. We want to make sure that development takes place. So if you're coming with in the 11, 13, 16, 19, you take the first preference. Whether it can be a good team or what, we want to see your team. How are they playing at under 11? Under 13 they are much better. Which means that the progression is there. How is their under 16 going? Under 16, they lost, but they are exceptional. We've got two boys there whom I come with from under 11. Now they are 16. Under 19, is there any boy that can play for a team, in particular the teams that are in DDC, who can break into a PSA? Is there any boy that is exceptional? Your boy. The boys, that's why we talk about the development that must take place. We're not only looking that you must come with a squad of under 19. It's good when you do that, because it shows that the coaches, we want the coaches as well to communicate, to build a stronger team. But we also want to make sure that you can build your stronger team amongst your team. Because remember, the boys that you've been training with the entire year, even if I can pick the best players myself and say I'm going to come and play against you, but you've got a better chance of winning because your boys understand what it takes. They've got team spirit. They are together. They fight for each other. They're a team. What else I'm taking? A squad. A squad, we still need to build it to become a team. We still need to make sure that they understand each other. So we do have the time. Pinetown Super Cup is just around the corner. We don't have the time. So the person that's got an age to win is the person that is believing in his team and say to his team, I know this one and this one, they won't play the same because they don't understand it, even calling each other by the names. But us, we call it by the name. So it's very important that the people at home, they stay tuned and they keep, we'll update them further with any updates.
Ayikuzobe kakhulu yabo le squad ehlanganisiwe. Yes, sihamba sodwa. I'm looking towards it's
a good squad, and we believe that those boys, they are still young, 9 years old, 10, we've played through. We took a boy that is 7 to play at under 11. It's something that has never happened. So we will make sure that they come and they enjoy. I mean, like, they must come in numbers to support. We really will appreciate that.
Thank you so much Msholozi. Sengizwile ukuthi sowenza ama-site visit laphayana so-check ukuthi ba-trainer kanjani. Sekuyimbuzi leyo guys ukuthi iy'mbangi ziyabuka ukuthi okay, how do I prepare myself for i-team mhlampe noma ngabe yiphi. That's why kumele babuke bonke.
We can also tell them that the draw will be live on the 9th of November. I mean, or 9th of December. We're gonna invite them as well, whoever that wants to come to see the live draw. They must come. We want them in numbers. So it's very important.
Okay. Hayi ziyakhala. Sisalapha Msholozi today I think ngicela singene kwi-scouting. Nakhona besithi qaqqa kancane. We saw ukuthi njengoba uyichaza njengamanje siyabona ukuthi abantu abascoutayo they have a chance to look kule development ukuthi wenza kanjani umdlalo othize usumbona kumaZulu usumbona example uNkotha udlala ngale bamthathile une contract leya of which bonke umuntu bebe ukuthi Mfukeng is going kwavele kwenzeka ngenye indlela mhlawumbe awusamaphi lapho ukuthi lenza kanjani.
How do you do that? I'm a qualified scout as we started the show. I told you that whether you like it or not, there are things that we're looking for as a scout. When I take my book and go and look at the boys, finally ask what I'm looking for. For the first thing that I look for is attitude. When I'm scouting, attitude. I will tell you this much. I will look at the attitude of a player, and also I will listen to the comment of the coach. It's very important. I will say the boy has got an attitude problem, but what else is not? Is the message that is coming from the coach that is making to not to be having that and thinking that his attitude is wrong. So why you asked me a very good question. You said to me, why is it that Nkotha left before Urele? I will say from Ekas, they will know from Ekas. There are players, fortunately Urele has got a football IQ out of this world. He's a massive player. So I wouldn't dwell much. I think there were offers that were there that they saw they were not good for him. Because they expect him to play maybe in certain teams. And then this one, they expected him, but I will explain this to you. There is a team that will come in the Shamas. We can see Scelo. Scelo is top player. He's a very good player, you see. But he has reached the ceiling. Meaning that the ceiling, there is no chance of improvement after this. If you reach the ceiling. So most players, that's the problem. But when you see Nkotha, you see someone that will also rise, will also keep on improving. So the scouters and everyone is looking for a player that will improve, not a player that will be just in the ceiling pot where he's not coachable, because you also need a player that will be coachable as well in that aspect. So I'm saying to you, when you're a scout, which means the first thing that you look for is attitude. And mind you, as a scout, you don't want to say, Shama said, yes, his physique, you want to watch it, you want to look at the physique, but the most important part that you want to also look for is how does a player play without the ball individually. It's crucial. Let's say, for instance, you're watching a game. Then you don't touch. Do you understand that in a game of football, Messi, who's a brilliant player, only touched the ball maximum. He only touched the ball in the entire game 3 minutes. In the entire 90 minutes. So he can only touch the ball maximum 2-point-something minutes or 3 minutes max. He will never touch the ball more than that.
That's crazy.
So meaning that he's only, because he carries the ball sometimes but most of the players they will only touch the ball seconds and whatnot. So that's why it's very important that you not watch the player when he's got the ball. You watch the player when he doesn't have the ball.
Yeah.
How does he do without the ball?
Without the ball.
Because that's the critical part. So most of these players, that's why you said today we just want to touch base on the scouting part. We don't care much when we've got the ball.
Okay.
We care much on how do you do without it, because half of the time you will not get the ball. But the most important part, how do you make sure that you are open, you are also coming in, you are available, and then, even if they didn't pass you, but you were doing a good run, but the ball never came to you. That is what scouting is about. It's not about coaching. Scouting is about looking into details.
Wow.
You look into details. How consistent does this run? Oh, he did it once. Can he do it again? Yes, he does it again. They didn't pass it. Can he do it again? He does it again. 3 times. And now I'm sure that no, this boy, he can do these runs. Because he did it once, he did it twice, he did it 3 times. Now I'm sure that he can do this. That's scouting. Then by the time, now there is a moment that I will be waiting for. Now I want to see, can he now control the ball? He has done all the things that I want off the ball. Now the only thing that I want to see from a player, a development player, is that can he receive the ball now? Can he pass? If he can do that for me is bonus. You know why it's bonus? Because that thing can be added into his game. Which means that if he cannot header, then now I know, I will tell the coach, this player is fitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but is struggling to head at the ball. So now the coach, he can now improve the heading part. Can you see? Now he can improve the heading part because I've identified that this is the situation that he's under.
Okay.
So that's scouting. So that's why you'll find that when you're looking at the player, you don't look at the player that is only focusing on playing. Because if that's why you'll find that sometimes they will ask you, yes, you were. But you were maybe good when you got the ball. When you didn't have, you were not contributing much. So now that makes you to be what? To be not even the same half of this player. Ube the same. So that's why I'm saying that scouting, when the players are playing in the Super Cup, whether the coach is saying what, be more disciplined when you don't have the ball. And try and do consistent things. Look at this. Let's say, for instance, you're trying to dribble. You dribbled once instead of passing. There was an opportunity to pass, but you dribbled. Then they take the ball from you. You do it again. You dribble again. They take the ball off you. Then you do it again 3 times. Then what am I saying to myself? This boy, even in the second half, if he does this 3 times, which means he will keep on losing this ball until when? Then now scratch. Yes, we're trying, but I'm thinking now, why he doesn't utilize the space? He can see now that he's been overloaded and people are coming to him because they know he's capable. Why can't he pass and move? But you want to do the same thing. So now the coach is telling you, I'm listening to a coach, is giving you a good information, yes, but now your attitude is wrong. And your teammates, when you lose the ball, they don't shout at you. But when you lose the ball, you shout at them when they lose the ball. But when you lose it, then it's not, they don't shout at you. Then now I'm looking at the player that lost the ball. Look at this. You're a top player. You've played a massive game. But this one, Shama said losing the ball. In this, you shouted him. Then I'm watching. Then I'm watching this boy now. How is his attitude? He's doing everything right. This one, yes, is a brilliant player. But he just does something to me that will jeopardize the team and whatnot. So now I'm looking at you. Then this one loses the ball. Maybe he was supposed to pass you. Then you say to him, then you go, I'm taking my poke. This boy, massive attitude. This guy just does something to him that that is what I'm talking about. This guy I'm looking for.
It's crazy. I'm sure it's ngabaniki konke. Bancishe kancane but yabo ukuthi lento guys yaveza ukuthi how deep it is with the technical team from coach and everything, because singabalandeli ibhola at times asilazi kodwa sicabanga ukuthi siyalazi ngoba sibuka thina sifuna ama results, you want the win, that's all. Nokuthanda ukuthi okay from eDustin ubani uyaligibela ibhola enzela ubuskara ngobese sisalapho ke umsholozo sesincelisile. I think namhlanje ngidle kakhulu ukuthi ku 90 minutes umuntu uthinta ibhola makuthiwa kuyabalwa even less than 3 minutes.
Messi, I'm talking about Messi. I'm talking about Messi. He's a star. Or Ronaldo, they will touch the ball not more than 2 minutes and not so
it's like umuntu megijima uhlezi sebholeni.
But it's not. So that's why I'm saying that we were saying today, let's touch base on scouting because that's the things that we do have, and we can even tell when the boy can make it at a very young age. We can, but it depends now on the attitude, on how he grows, who is growing with. So that's why we're saying that they are not just coming to the show and not getting anything. So they can put any comment, they can get us anything. We can come and watch your boy and tell you, no, this is the situation, you must work on it and but we will help where we can. And the good thing is that about this show is that we've opened the comments. They can always ask the questions. We're saying to them, today we're talking about a very brutal topic, scouting. How to scout, what a scout looking for. Because most of the boys, I'm telling you now, they will learn about this. Because most of the boys, when they go to a game where they know there is Pirates and Chiefs watching and whoever, now you're trying to do, you want to make sure that you own the ball. But the scout doesn't do that. A scout is looking for you when you don't have the ball. The moment you have the ball, it's bonus if you can control it to him. Because you have done everything right. You're massive in your position, you were there. And then you went to support, you came back, and then you were listening to the coach. The coach saying you need to block here, you go there, and you went. So in another episode, we will then discuss further on the systems, on the system itself, because you will find that the boy is playing off positions. I will tell them how to look if someone is a striker, how to look if someone is a keeper. Let him know the coaches early what they must look for. If someone is a striker, these are the criteria that you must look for. If someone is a midfielder, this is the situation at a very young age. But the topic will be for another next episode. Today we were just saying about we were just talking about scouting, which is crucial, which is very crucial.
No, so I'm sure those yabona le interest kakhulu ngishiya kuvuleka abanye indlela yokubuka iperspective ukuthi wow okay thina kufana nomuntu obuka lapha kwi lens nawe obuka ngamehla kufana. So it's very interesting.
It's deep.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share our episodes. Sikhona lapha ka YouTube, Take 2 TV all the way. Mr. Msholozi, in closing, what do you have future, iviki khona amagame akhona or anything else upcoming?
This week I think we only have we've got the tournament that we'll be going to assess the boys, all the boys that are playing. There are teams that are playing as well, preparing for Bantam Super Cup that we'll go and watch. We just want to see who we can profile, because it's important to profile those players. As I'm saying that we are not only here to play a game, but we are here to give opportunities, and also the world, they must know and know that we are here to give opportunity to the early bets, they say, or early youngsters, the ones that are underprivileged. So they must. This is what we are about, and they must keep watching Danko Diski TV, and I think the Take 2 TV will be soon be number one in terms of podcast, a kulma into that is constructive, something that people can learn. We're not coming here to do anything except that we want to make sure that we keep respect and we guide our youngsters, because this one is about youngsters. This is about youngsters. The one that are on top, they must keep consistent. That's what we want to prepare these boys for that. So in closing, I'm saying game, I think this weekend we are looking forward to banika any tips they will want. As we said, on the 9th of December, it's our launch as well as our draw of the cup, and they must come in numbers, those that can. So tip, we've got lots, as I've just said. This helps the coaches as well on how to identify our players. So sizofika nayo, and we'll make sure that it's pretty body so that they can see on how things are done in the level of scouting world.
Do we have the venue for Mhlaka 9?
Yeah, we're gonna be in Pinetown at Pinecrest.
Okay.
At Pinecrest, we are in the spare. It's a standard.
Okay. Siyabonga guys, thank you so much. This is Msholozi Uzuma, our legend. I'm your host, King Shamase. This is the Danko Disc podcast with VKG. Danko.
Sabo.